So this is the 76 millimeter gun of this Sherman tank. This is the M4A 3A8 variant of the Sherman tank, or they call this the AC8. So this AC8 is armed with this 76 millimeter gun, or it's a 3-inch diameter bore gun. This is more than 10 feet in length. You can see the tip of this gun is a muzzle brake. So this muzzle brake allows the gun to have a lesser recoil, because the muzzle brake is used to dissipate most of the energy coming out of the gun as the projectile leaves the gun itself when the gun is going to fire. So the weight of this tank from side to side is about 9 feet. And the length of the tank from the front to the rear is about 18 feet. So the tank has a height of about 10 feet. And measuring from the shoulder of the tank to the ground is about 6.56 feet in 5 inches. This AC8 tank is one of the latest version of the Sherman tank that came out from the war. As you can see, it has a very wide track. This is about 23 to 24 inches roughly. It's about more than almost 2 feet. This improves the ground to weight ratio of the tank. It is a very good advantage when the tank is running on a soft ground. You also notice the ingenious design of the trunk of this tank. Look at that. Going to this track system of this tank, you will notice it consists of 3 bogies. 1, 2, 3. In each bogie consists of about 4 wheels. Rubberized wheel. You will see it's covered with rubber. It's going to caution some of the mechanical vibration generated when the tank is moving. This tank is using this what they call the horizontal bolliot suspension system. As you will see, this bolliot is installed the horizontal manner. So they call this the bolliot because this is a spring. You will notice this is a coiled spring. So what happens is, when this bogie is moving on this manner, corresponding to the terrain of the road the tank is running, so this bolliot system is a spring that will compress, expand, compress and expand, allowing this tank to ride smoothly in a rough terrain, so giving comfort to the crew that is inside the tank. These are called the return rollers. And of course, its function is to hold this track over here, stabilize the track. And this one is the idler wheels. You will notice that it's also covered with rubber. So this idler wheel does not have any power at all. It's just going to roll corresponding with the movement of the truck. The idler wheel is not connected to any axle. It's just attached to this superstructure of this tank. The whole truck system of this tank is driven by this main drive sprocket. So this drive sprocket is connected to the rear of the tank, where the engine is located. So from the sprocket drive, a drive shaft connects it to to the engine at the rear of this tank. So this tank can run as fast as 48 kilometers per hour. It's a 32 tons tank, but it can run as fast as 48 kilometers per hour because it was powered by the most powerful V8 engine. It's a GAE 450 horsepower gas engine. The hull of this tank is actually welded, and the thickness of this armor is about 2.5 to 3 inches. But you will notice that it was 45-degree angled with respect to the vertical. So the 3-inch thickness of the armor, since it was 45-degree angled, it gives a total thickness of about 4 inches. So the resulting thickness of this frontal armor becomes 4 inches because of this 45-degree angle. So when a projectile is hitting this, the frontal armor in this manner, it's going to encounter about, instead of just 3 inches, it's going to encounter 4 inches. So the advantage of this sloping armor is going to increase the thickness of the protection that the screw inside is going to have. That's about it, guys, and until next time.